Hey guys, got an HID conversion kit. Eagle eye lights for the Grizzly. Get the camera right. I'm gonna put these on today, so hopefully I'll have some nice bright lights. We night ride maybe once or twice a year. Maybe this will make it a little more fun. Maybe we'll do it more often. What do you think? Yeah, I think they'll be cool. Let's get started. So, okay. Eagle eye lights. 2007 and up. Grizzly. Actually, I think the 2016 and up have HID lights from the factory. The 2005, that's the 2015. Just has the standard halogen lights. So they do have ballast. Have to install 2 ballast. These are supposed to be just plug in, no cutting. They just plug right into your existing light plug-in. So you have to put a couple of starters on there, the starter ballast. There's the bulbs, one of them. So it's pretty cool. Nice plug-ins. These things weren't cheap. They were, yeah, not cheap at all. It probably would have been cheaper to put a light bar on, but I'm not a fan of light bars. I'd rather just have the lights themselves do the work instead of mounting a light bar somewhere. So that's just me. So let's see the 2 lights. It looks like this is that's the factory plug-in there, I believe. That will plug into the factory outlet where the light's plugged in. Got these coated connectors there. And this pigtail harness here. Okay, I had 2 of those. A couple of ballasts, 2 bulbs. Put that in there, and there's the harness. They were it was 159 bucks from, like I said, Extreme Snorkels is where I bought them. So and the brand is Eagle Eye Lights. Here I am dorking around with my light again. They got this cover here. This cover. Another cover. Plug-in goes out over there. I assume the ballast will be up inside there somewhere, probably up in here. We'll put the starters. Put this off here. Let me pull this piece here off as well. I think I can get to the plug-ins. There we go. Uh-oh. What the heck? I'm about to pull the rack off. Is that crazy talk or what? Oh, wait a minute. There's even another bolt in there. I got this side all lit up, don't I? That thing's lightweight. No doubt about that. Oh, Yamaha. Making stuff light. That's light. Well, this machine don't have much power, so you gotta be conservative about putting extra weight on the machine, you know, when you don't have much power. Now, if I had that machine, or if I rode that machine, yeah, it's got plenty of power. You can add 5 or 10 pounds here and there. I'm always conscious about adding weight to this thing. Okay. So that's our factory plug-in. That will plug in there on both sides. So I'll probably put the ballast up in here somewhere. Right here. Oh, that's a perfect spot on both sides. All right. Yeah, there we go. All right. Oh, there it kind of goes under there, over there. Okay, hope I got the camera right. Can you see it? You can see it. There's one bulb. But that's got to be sealed up. This is not watertight. This was watertight. So, how do we make them watertight now? See, that's a watertight seal there. Right there. I'm going to be honest with you. I can see me cutting this and run those wires in there and siliconing this up, because I want that back on there. Because there's a slot right there, so this does not keep it watertight. Right up in here, I don't know if I should put the ballast here or up in here. This little bracket here is very flimsy. I don't want to see these things banging around in here. So I think I'm going to go with mounting them right there. There's such a nice area there, and then I could put the plug-ins right here in this little, whatever that block is. And instead of using that, I'm just going to mount them right there. So, transfer that onto there. Okay. Alright. Nice. Let's get the other ones Loctited. So they'll set right there. That would be sweet. We'll figure out that here in a minute. This is the actual watertight seal for your bulb. This is not a watertight seal. Because see, there's a gap right there where your wires go through. And that goes over there. That's more of a mud cover. But below that is this, and this is the actual keeps it watertight from your lights. So I want to put this back on, but I need to get these wires. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a razor blade and I'm going to cut this, silicone these wires into there, so they're actually watertight. Okay, so you guys are going to watch me cut my finger with a razor blade. Ow. That. I mean, they say they're plug and play. I mean, this stuff here you just do because you can see water getting in there if you don't. They don't tell you, well, you need to cut up your rubber seal for your pigtail harness on your factory light and stick those through there and silicone them up if you want it to be watertight and blah, 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 blasey, blasey, blasey. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I need to get this really clean so my silicone sticks. Okay, now let's get these in their position, and I'm going to put more silicone right there. Absolutely make sure that's sealed up. And then the cap goes back on. You know, it's alright. Got this side completed. Let it right in there where the original wires laid in, or plug-ins were. Boom. Moment of truth, guys. Let's we'll turn the lights out and see what they look like. Whoa. Oh yeah, they just keep getting brighter and brighter. Whoa. Now they're flickering. Watch them go out. That's pretty cool. Whoa, they're bright. What do you think, guys? It's pretty bright. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Compared to what they were, I'll put the other ones in here right here and just give you a comparison. Look pretty cool. All right. Well, that's complete. Appreciate you guys watching as always. And any comments, leave them below. Until next time, we'll see you. Thanks again.